Guys, I'm here right now at a Vietnamese restaurant in Adelaide, and one of the famous food here is Vietnamese cuisine. And look at this. This is really banh mi. It's a combination of bread and different, there's a pork and chicken. Yeah, you'll be able to see this taste Vietnamese. So taste banh mi. It's really famous here, and it will take you like, how much is this? The banh mi? $10 each. So I think this is so much for a lunch already, and you will be able to have a great taste. Look at that. It's really amazing. This is the restaurant here in Adelaide, and yeah, it's a good combination as well with different Vietnamese food all over. It's very authentic. What's my name again? Anyway, remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God, and invite your family and friends to taste banh mi like this here in Adelaide. See you everyone! Banh mi! Bye!